Hello, I'm Henry, and I'm here to give an update on some of today's trades. So first, we're with Solana. So we're still active in Solana right here. To break down my charts, we have candlesticks at the top, a volume profile here in the middle in the gray, and this is momentum indicator down here in the blue. I've got several positions on currently. You can see where my stop is here. 160.21 is my main stop for these positions. I may have lower stop in these lower positions here, as you can see. So we'll move over. This is the lunchtime hour. Sellers as the currency pair. This purple line is S4 and the Camarilla pivots as it loses it. Sellers gain control and move the price down lower. This is the crypto market open, this line right here, where you see the volume and volatility pick up here. But I still haven't hit a target. We'll come up here on the daily and get some perspective on where we're trying to go. So my target's down here at 127.80. So we'll see if we can get that today. And next up we've got XRP, Ripple. Okay, so still in Ripple right now. This is the lunchtime hour yesterday. This purple line is S4 on the Camarilla pivots. Sold below my signal to go short. Took two entries. We'll see. You can see my stop is up here behind this isolated pivot right here. Same thing with the second stop here. Both stops are in the same place. We can see that it never threatened my stop once it pulled back. It did pull back and come back above S4, but didn't stay there for long. Sellers were able to hold and keep the pressure on the buyers and move the price low here. Come out and we'll see right here, this is the open of the crypto market. We can see the volatility and volume, transactions pick up, sellers having momentum, being able to move the price down. Right now, not certain, or I don't know if anybody would be certain, but it seems like they're sorting out whether or not we're going to go up or down right now. And to put this trade into perspective, we'll pull it up on the daily and have a look at target. So we got a target down here at 182. So we'll see how that works out. And last up we have Cardano. Okay. So Cardano, took Cardano during the midday, during the U.S. market hours yesterday. Sold off this purple line is S4, my signal to go short. Got in quite a bit early. It pulled back really aggressively. You can see here, took my first entry, second entry. We'll come in a little tighter. When I took this entry, my stop was back here. My stop was here with this isolated pivot right here. And as price action moved back, this particular candle right here, it respected this level. It didn't go above, so I decided to add this position right here. And then you'll see with this wick right, or with this candle right here, I stopped out of both positions, watched, and then as price action moved, I wound up taking another position here and through my stop up here. And then I took another entry here, and we can see the price action is consolidating. My thought was distribution, and we can see here at the crypto market open, high volume profile, sellers with momentum able to move the price lower. Seems like we've hit potentially a seller here, and we're selling down, maybe moving down another leg. Let's go into the daily and get some perspective for target. Both of these positions have the same target. Let's see, we may have to go to the weekly to get this target. Standing by for the weekly. See if we can pull it at the top. Okay. Okay, we have a weekly now. Okay. So let's get some perspective here. All right, target is down here at 0.25. So we'll see how that goes. Thanks for checking out my trades, and happy trading.